some of the benefits of the hyperbaric chamber is skin rejuvenation, anti-aging, detoxification, and then cellular regeneration. So it keeps you young. It's 6,500 per session.
And contrast procedure is in Maayo as well. So it is like the usual hospital, but the edge for us is that we give a very low dose radiation during the procedure. The doctor, the attending physician will request for additional imaging like 3D. We do that. We can modify this. Same goes with the MRI. Higher magnet intensity, so it can provide better images and clearer images for diagnostic quality. Now, as what you can see, unlike other MRI machines, the bore is wide. It's actually the widest in the market.
They come in here and check up on you. And then after your fasting procedures, we give you a menu of your choice so that we can serve it to you. And serve it here to you in the pantry. Taxi, say hi! Say hi, Max! You have fans.
Hello, good morning.
Our eye center, importantly, the ACES. The ACES is also here with us. We'll just wait for the rest of
Our procedures, aside from doing lasers and treatments, we also have procedures that will help or aid in for surgeries, which will be done in the surgery.
So we have 10 beds here in the ICU for adults. Right?
This is our state-of-the-art ICU with all the equipments of modern machines and monitoring devices to ensure quality patient care.
Alright. So all the patient monitoring system is connected to our nurses station, to the nurses seats, and all the steps, vital statistics, vital stats of the patient. So our operating room theaters is on this floor also. So we do everything from general surgery to minimally invasive surgery. Minimally invasive is those that use here. Just a sneak peek of what we have here at the So we have both land and water. Let's check out land first. That's all. Yes, because also we have the resorts.
The private room of the hospital at Maayo. So the amenities include, we have chiller over here, and then we also have hot and warm water in the shower. And here we can also see our satellite view of our jogging hill. So this private room is priced at 3,500 per night.
Family rooms with different bed allocation, both at 8,000 per day.
Our entry has also raised the bar quite a bit. Maybe the same as the telcos. You once come in, the service gets better. So ours is something like that.
But what we want to promise is that when you come here, it will really be value for money. Meaning to say you will really get the kind of care, the standard of care, the excellent care that you are paying for.